In this video, we listed the 5 best printer for stickers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HP ENVY Photo 7155. The HP ENVY Photo 7155 is a versatile color inkjet printer designed for home and office use, featuring multiple connectivity options such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This model supports a range of special features including auto-duplex printing, scan-to-email functionality, optional high-yield cartridges, and is network-ready. With a user-friendly color touchscreen and a separate photo tray, it offers efficient printing capabilities with a maximum speed of 9 pages per minute in color and 14 pages per minute in monochrome. Weighing 14 pounds, this refurbished printer is rigorously tested and certified to perform like new, coming complete with all necessary accessories, and may be shipped in a generic box. Additionally, the printer is HP Instant Ink eligible and cloud print enabled, making it an excellent choice for users who value convenience and quality. Number 2. Epson Expression XP 6000. The Epson XP 6000 is an inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo printing and versatile document output. It features a sleek black design and offers connectivity through USB, along with convenient wireless printing options. This model is capable of producing vibrant color prints quickly, with a maximum print speed of 15.8 ISO ppm for black and 11.3 ISO ppm for color. Notable for its auto-duplex capabilities, it allows for hassle-free double-sided printing. The XP 6000 can print stunning 4x6-inch photos in as fast as 15 seconds, and it supports photo sizes up to 8 by 10 inches. Easy-to-use features include a 2.4-inch color LCD and touch panel, built-in USB and memory card slots, and dedicated trays for photos and DVDs. It uses affordable individual ink cartridges, enabling users to replace only the colors they need, ensuring a cost-effective printing solution for photo enthusiasts and occasional users alike. Number 3. Brother MFC J4335DW. The Brother MFC J4335DW is an advanced inkjet printer designed for both home and office use, featuring versatile connectivity options such as USB and wireless capabilities. It boasts impressive auto-duplexing and network readiness, all housed in a sleek white exterior. With a printing speed of up to 16 pages per minute in color and 20 pages per minute in monochrome, it efficiently meets high-volume printing needs. One of its standout features is the revolutionary EcoTank technology, which includes a year's worth of ink in the box, reducing the frequency of replacements and minimizing the hassle of refilling. The front-loading ink cartridges are easy to replace and designed for high capacity, allowing for greater page yields with less maintenance. Additionally, the Brother Mobile Connect app enhances user convenience by enabling seamless printing, copying, scanning, and device management from mobile devices. Integrated with Alexa, the printer offers low ink notifications and smart reorder options, ensuring that users never run out of Brother genuine ink, making it a reliable choice for uninterrupted printing. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2750. The Epson EcoTank ET2750 is an innovative inkjet printer designed for efficient and high-quality printing, featuring Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity. This model boasts a range of special features, including borderless printing, a display screen, a memory card slot, auto-duplex printing, and a refillable ink tank system that significantly reduces ink costs. With the capability to print in both color and monochrome at a maximum speed of 10.5 pages per minute, it is ideal for home and small office use. The EcoTank comes with up to 2 years' worth of ink, allowing for approximately 6,500 pages in black and 5,200 in color, which translates to savings equivalent to around 30 traditional ink cartridge sets. It supports various operating systems, enables easy wireless printing from mobile devices, and features maximum print resolutions of 5760 by 1440 optimized DPI. Epson emphasizes the importance of using genuine ink for optimal performance and protection against potential damage that could void the warranty. Number 5. Canon PIXMA PRO 200. The Canon PIXMA PRO 200 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for professional quality color output, featuring an enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system that ensures vibrant and rich prints. With capabilities for both wired and wireless connectivity, it allows for convenient printing from various devices. This compact printer is ideal for home or studio use, delivering high-quality bordered A3+ prints in approximately 90 seconds, while also supporting borderless printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches. The built-in 3-inch LCD display provides easy monitoring of ink levels and maintenance tasks, enhancing user experience. Additionally, Canon's Professional Print and Layout (PPL) software simplifies the printing process, enabling users to focus more on their creative work rather than on technical settings. At £40.5, the PIXMA PRO 200 combines portability with functionality for photographers and artists alike.